Today I'm going to teach you how to make an origami box. This is what it looks like. And by the way, someone is mowing the yard outside. So yeah. The things that you will need for this project is a pair of scissors and origami paper. So I have my origami paper here, and we're just going to make the design down. So I want the white to be facing us. First, what you want to do is take one side and fold it in half like this. Make sure that your creases are very sharp. Open this back up and fold this side up to the top like this. When you open it up, you should see a plus sign. You're going to turn it like a diamond and fold each of these corners into the center. Now that you have all of these corners folded in, you want to fold this bottom part up to the center. Once it's in the center, unfold these two, and you have two sides of your box. Unfold the two center pieces and fold these back down and crease it. Do the same to both sides. Turn it so that it looks like this. What you need to do is take these two edges and push them in and lift your middle fingers up so that they're like this, and then crease it like this. Next, fold this down. Now turn it over and do the same thing. I'll zoom in so it's easier for you to see. But what you're going to do is you're going to take your fingers, and you see this, there is a crease right there. You're pushing on those triangles and lifting it up. And then the creases are already there so that you don't have to make any new folds. And then fold it down and crease it. Now adjust the box to how you like. So that's how you make an awesome origami box. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Also, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to become part of the fun family. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!